This one feels a lot better. Oh, this one snaps too. See, I don't, they snap really easy. So, hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a new microphone I purchased myself. It's a DJI Mic 2. Yeah, so I had the original DJI and I wanted to get the new DJI Mic 2 with the 32-bit float, which is really cool. With the also Bluetooth Connect and everything. So let's do an unboxing real quick. This video is basically the unboxing. And then we'll go to another video, just go over the details about all the features, benefits, how to use it, and all that stuff. So let's just do like a fresh unboxing. I always like to do the unboxing and just show you what to expect when you order something like this. So it comes, of course, wrapped nicely. And let's just see how this box even opens. You never know. It opens from the side. You can see here. I'll just pull it out. A decent opening, right? Not bad, not bad. So what you get in the box is just white box, basically branded, just like you see here. And what's in the box is a nice carrying case, a nice pouch with the tag, a little silica package. Put that inside there. It is an instruction manual. Hopefully it should be fairly easy to follow along. Let's open this up and see what's in here. A cool, looks like a DJI sticker. That's cool. I think it's a sticker. I don't really know. Let's open it up and see. I'm not sure. Yep. Look at this DJI little decals, little stickers. I don't know. They're kind of cool, I guess, right? Look at that. That's interesting. Cool. How do you open it? Does anybody know how to open it? Oh, okay. I had it upside down. Look at that. See, this is why you watch the video, so you know. Okay, cool. So what do we have in here? So we have the actual case itself. So press to unlock. So this is a little bit different than the other ones. It does have a little tape on here. So we'll take this tape off. So press to unlock. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Everything goes on. It's going to be charged. You can see here everything's about halfway charged. You can see here it's got the control. Let's take a quick look at it. So this is just the case. Let's take a quick look at the case real quick. So what's in the case is a USB-C cable, of course, to charge it. A adapter for your DSLR. And we won't be needing that because we're using our iPhone. And a couple of dead cats that plug into the receivers itself, which is nice. And they come in a little pouch, which I like that, come in this case. So you have that right here, and these just snap right on, like you can see, really easy. Let's put this to the side real quick here, open this up. Let me just take a look at the receiver real quick. Oh, very small. Wow, that's tiny. And it weighs like nothing. So weird. Like unbelievable. Wow. You can set English, language, the date. Set right up, boom, boom, boom. That sets up very quickly. I like that. It's got the built-in cold shoe. I didn't like the other one. I don't know if you're familiar with the other, I had to put it on, and I didn't like the way it fit. So this cold shoe I like. This slides right off, nice and easy. I like that. That's cool. You have the adapters here for your iPhone, or Android, or USB-C. You can plug this into your Mac. You can plug this into your PC, your computer. You can plug this into your phone. It doesn't really matter. Everything just works. I like that. And I like this new design with that cold shoe. I like that a lot. And I like these little receivers. They're really cool. As you can see the actual inside here, you can actually see the workings. You can see some of the chips in here, which I think that's kind of high tech. I like that. Some buttons on the side. We'll go over all that for recording, sound, all that stuff. We'll go over all that. But this is pretty much simple. Very, very easy to use. Very, very simple. DJI, just so you can just see, look at that, automatically connects. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see it already working. We'll do a test with this. We'll do everything. So this is what it looks like. Just want to get, like I said, a quick unboxing. Here is the magnet. Oh, very strong magnet right there. Like on the enclosure if you want to, or you can clip it. I like this clip a little better than the other one. The other one's a little bit too snappy. This one feels a lot better. Easy. The only thing bad about these is just snap. You gotta be careful when you open these up and you put them on your shirt. You don't want them flying off your fingers like that. That's the only thing bad about that. That's the only thing I don't like about the other one either, but you just gotta be careful when you put those on. And you don't want them to fly off like a clothespin. They're flying off. So you just gotta be careful with that. We'll get everything charged up right here with the USB-C. We'll charge it all up and we'll do a full review. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next video.